water that's good for your body, your daily life, and the environment. Kangen water is gentle on your body and the environment. This revolutionary Kangen water is produced by the Levluck Kangen 8, a continuous ionized Kangen and strong acidic water generator. Kangen water produced from the Levluck Kangen 8 is excellent for health, containing a balance of 6 different elements, including a high concentration of hydrogen ions, microclusters, and minerals. Levluck Kangen 8 enhances our daily lives in 5 areas: safety, hygiene, environment, beauty, and health. With only one touch, the continuous ionized Kangen and strong acidic water generator, Levluck Kangen 8 can make 5 types of water, such as Kangen water, clean water, beauty water, strong acidic water, and strong Kangen water. It provides 5 types and 7 levels of electrolyzed water, depending on your needs. This is made possible by a high-powered electrolytic cell with 8 electrode plates. The built-in electrolysis enhancer tank enables it to produce a stable supply of strong acidic water and strong Kangen water continuously. Additionally, the usability has been improved. The easy-to-see large LCD screen with touch panel is extremely user-friendly. With one touch, any type of electrolyzed water can be easily selected. With visual display and voice guidance in 8 languages, it has never been easier to operate.
Kangen water 9.5.
You can now rest assured wherever your travels take you with our new multi-voltage input power supply that can work anywhere in the world. Now we will show you how to set up the Levluck Kangen 8 to produce Kangen water. First, check that all the accessories are included. Position the unit on a flat surface. If it is still unstable, adjust the rear feet to keep the unit level. We will begin by showing you how to install a diverter on a faucet with an inner thread aerator. In this instance, 2 types of diverters are available to choose from. First, the stainless steel diverter. These are the accessories you will use. First, remove the aerator that is attached to the faucet. Check the size of the thread and tighten the adapter T or the adapter S with packing material installed to the faucet. Use a coin to tighten the adapter S. Tighten the stainless steel diverter to complete the installation. Next, we will show you how to install the diverter with shower function. These are the accessories we'll use. First, remove the aerator already in place. While checking the size of the thread, attach the fixing nut and dip the braid adapter or the white adapter in the C-set to the faucet to securely tighten. Here as well, it's also very convenient to use a coin to tighten the adapter. Once you tighten the diverter with shower function adapter, the process is complete. Next, we will show you how to set up the unit. First, in the case of the stainless steel diverter, remove the fixing nut from the stainless steel diverter that has already been installed to the faucet and pass the white water supply hose through the hose fixing nut. Fully connect the water supply hose to the branch plug and tighten the hose fixing nut.
At this time, remove the caps on each end of the flexible pipe and the secondary pipe. Next, the diverter with shower function. Remove the fixing nut on the diverter with shower function that's already been installed. Hook the right water supply hose through the fixing nut and fully connect the water supply hose to the branch plug, and then tighten the fixing nut. At this time, remove the caps on each end of the flexible pipe and the secondary pipe. Next, insert the connector into the appliance inlet. Plug in power cord. Touch the LCD panel. The unit should power on. The installation process is now complete. For more information, please see the operation manual. Check the settings after the unit's installed. Touch the settings button on the bottom of the home screen. First, we will set the language for the touch panel and voice icons. Touch the button for the desired language from the 8 language options. The preset language is English. A voice guidance message will be played in set language.
The language has been set to English.
Return to the settings screen after language setup by touching the back button in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select the volume level. First, touch the volume button on the settings screen. Select the volume level from 3 options: high, low, and off. Return to the settings screen after choosing the volume level. Next, select the screen brightness. First, touch the brightness button on the settings screen. Select the desired brightness and touch the corresponding button. Return to the settings screen after choosing screen brightness. Next, set the automatic power off timer. If the machine is not operated for a certain amount of time, the screen and the power will turn off. The preset off time is 1 minute.
Powering off.
The power will turn on again when you touch the screen or run water through a unit.
Powering on.
Touch the sleep button on the settings screen to change the timer settings. Touch the desired time button. The auto power off timer will be set. Return to the settings screen. Finally, check the filter replacement interval. Use it as a rough guide for knowing when to replace your water filter. By touching the filter check button on the settings screen, the filter check screen will be displayed. The graduation marks on the left represent how much water has passed through the filter. Replace the filter after 6,000 liters. The graduation marks on the right represent how long the current filter has been used. Usually, a filter lasts about 1 year. When the marks increase and show the word replace, it is time to replace the filter. We will show you how to replace the water filter later. When the filter check is complete, return to the settings screen. Now all the settings are finished. The Levelet Kangen 8 can make 5 types of electrolyzed water with 4 basic operations. Now we will show you how to make Kangen water, clean water, and beauty water. Set the lever of the diverter with shower function on the faucet to ion and touch the screen.
Powering on.
Next, select the desired electrolyzed water on the home screen by touching it.
Kangen water 9.5.
Turn on the water supply faucet.
Kangen water 9.5.
Kangen water 9.5 will be discharged from the flexible pipe. The pH value of water that immediately comes out of the faucet is not consistent, so let the water run for approximately 10 seconds before sampling. Add 1 to 2 drops of test liquid to the tube and shake the contents well. Check the color using the color chart provided. You can adjust pH values if the pH level is higher than the normal range. Select the Settings button on the home screen and touch the pH setting button to display the pH setting screen. To lower the pH level, touch the minus button to decrease the power. Next, we will show you how to produce strong acidic water and strong Kangen water. Set the lever of the diverter with shower function on the faucet to ion. Remove the tank cover and install the electrolysis enhancer tank with electrolysis enhancer inside, then put the cover back. Touch the screen.
Powering on.
Next, touch the pH 2.5 button on the home screen.
Strong acidic water.
Turn on the faucet.
Strong acidic water.
Strong Kangen water will be discharged from the flexible pipe, and strong acidic water will be discharged from the secondary pipe. Neither type of water is suitable for drinking. Automatic cleaning. The Levluck Kangen 8 has an automatic cleaning function, as calcium deposited on the electrodes in the electrolysis tank may result in reduced performance. There are two types of cleaning that maintain the performance of the unit. If Kangen water or other water has been produced more than 10 minutes, it will show Kangen Refresh on the LCD and start cleaning for 10 seconds when the faucet is turned off. When another water type is selected after producing strong acidic water, or when the unit has not been used for more than 24 hours, it will start cleaning automatically for about 30 seconds once the water is run through the unit.
Starting the cleaning cycle. The cleaning cycle is finished.
It will then start to produce the selected type of water. Now we will show you how to replace the water filter. While pushing the arrow mark on the side of the unit, slide the filter cover upward and remove it. Slide the holder knob to the left and release the holder. Then pull up the water filter and remove it. Check to ensure that the old O-rings do not remain on the filter tray, and then push in the replacement filter while paying attention to the installation position. Install the holder, then slide the holder knob to the right and lock it in place. When the water filter cover is replaced, the filter history is reset automatically. The LCD will display the main screen. Run the water for at least 3 minutes after filter replacement. Please be sure to use our designated water filters for replacement, as other filters may lead to malfunction. Now, we will show you various ways for using these 5 types of water that the Levluck Kangen 8 produces. Kangen water makes drinking water and meals tastier. Kangen water helps to balance an overly acidic diet. Kangen water also gives brewed coffee or tea a wonderfully mild flavor. It brings out the flavor and fragrance of soups and stews, reducing the need for salt. Add Kangen water to alcohol with a high acid content, such as whiskey, for a smoother, milder flavor. Clean water is safe water. The water filter removes chlorine taste and odor and particulates 5 micron and larger to supply delicious, pH-neutral water. Don't forget to use clean water when taking medication. This clean water is best for your baby formula. Beauty water is beauty-enhancing water. Beauty water helps to tighten pores and tones your skin after taking a bath or washing your face. In addition, beauty water may also be used for polishing eyeglasses and for washing glasses and dishes. Strong Kangen water is not just water, but eco-friendly water that has an effect similar to detergent. Strong Kangen water can clean food and wash grease off fans and range hoods. It also works very well when cleaning cutting boards and dishes. Strong acidic water has excellent sterilizing properties that can even prevent food poisoning. It can be used effectively for washing hands, as well as for cleaning and disinfecting in the kitchen area. Strong Kangen water can help keep your family healthy. Levluck Kangen 8 has the power to change your life with Kangen water. It's time to produce delicious and healthy water at home. Make the most of these 5 types of electrolyzed water. For more details, please contact your dealer or any of our offices on the list.